Happy Wednesday, everybody. I've been doing laundry at Quiltville Inn, and I've brought all of these placemats out to dry after being washed. And I thought I would share with you how absolutely adorable they are. They're all different. All of the license plates were from the Nationwide Shop Hop and Row by Row. And I've got all of these lovely, fun license plates that were sent to me by followers who didn't know what to do with them. So they're perfect for retreat placemats. Here's one that says, "Get cozy." This one on the other side says, "Sisu So." If you've got a lot of these license plates, kick-ass quilter, that are hanging around, head on over to the free patterns tab on my blog where I've got a free tutorial for making these cute string-pieced placemats. I love this one, Krabby Quilter. So precious. And 2 blockheads. So each one is different. Some of the strings make an O. Some of the strings make an X. If you don't like string piecing, then maybe a quilt block, an orphan block or something would be perfect to put in the center of these placemats. I love them. My retreaters love them. I think you're going to love making them too. Home Tweet Home. Big Cat Quilters. So Wanna Quilt. Quiltin' Forever. And yes, it all makes me so happy. Have a wonderful Wednesday, everybody.